That's right, my YouTube fam. There's going to be changes in Primo's kicks. It is, guys, because it's inevitable. Last year has been out of control, and I'm just trying to get my cahoots over here. And, there's certain things that I had to control when it came to the actual channel. So there's going to be a couple of changes. Maybe we'll just start off with the first one right now. And you already know that I ain't got time to waste. Neither do you. Roll my intro, the new intro, and let's get to it! What's going on, YouTube fam? I hope you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. How do you like the intro? Hey, I love it. I don't care about the rest, guys. The way that you should be also in life. Who cares about what anybody likes, and who cares what anybody wants to criticize or anything? Do your thing and hit it down the path of happiness. Remember that, guys. But anyways, today is not going to really be any type of, shoes or anything like that. This is going to be raw and uncut, guys. And I just wanted to bring this video for the simple fact, man, that the last year and few months only, a year and 2 months, 3 months, something like that. Guys, the initial starting of the channel was, it got me off guard. It got me off guard. I never imagined that the channel was going to grow the way it was going to grow. And, I was planning on actually just doing things slowly but surely. Nothing crazy or anything like that. And out of a sudden, man, it took off. So what happened was the simple fact of I was technically, guys, just catching up to the hype. All the shoes that I had before, I had a few hype shoes, obviously. A few, a good amount. But I wasn't really into that. My thing was more the OG shoes and Air Forces and Air Maxes. That was like mainly my thing. And all the main Jordans, obviously. And a few Travises and stuff like that, guys. That I haven't even brought the reviews on any of those on the reverse mochas. But what's the point of bringing the review to any of that? It's already a little too late, at least to me. Maybe I do, maybe I won't. I don't know, whatever. But the simple fact that I had to catch up. I had to catch up at the same time. YouTube is a competition, guys. YouTube is a full-blown competition, and whoever is the one that can outlast the other is the one that survives. So let's be realistic about it. So one thing I never wanted to be was a copy and paste. That is 99% of all YouTubers. The copy and paste, they get people's news. All they do is bring the news, and this has this amount and this and that. It's like, hey, there's nothing wrong with that, but when you're bringing a review once a week or once every 2 weeks or something like that, and it's a constant copy and paste of things to the point that these reviewers are actually taking other people's content, lacing videos and everything, and just say, lacing, bro, come on, bro. It's like, it's ridiculous already what the sneaker community and these sneaker YouTubers have gotten to it. It's a complete joke. Seriously, guys, it's a complete joke. And what I say that, it just took, it went a whole different route that I that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to bring different content and bring the truth of the sneaker community and try to gather the people together, the people I really want to rescue this. But it is what it is, guys, and let's be realistic. All it's going to do is just get worse. It's just going to get worse. So back to the point, I was trying to recuperate all this and trying to get back to the point and try to bring you all the reviews of all the latest shoes and all that. And things got, I'm not going to lie to you, really out of control. Like, I'm talking about out of control to the point that I have videos recorded of reviews of technically new shoes that I didn't even get to post because it was one thing after another. And, times change. You get better with editing. You get better with the way you present the shoes and the way, everything, guys, from the intro to the outro. This is basically, no, it is. It's a career. it is what it is. You got to dedicate your life to this, you know. And besides that, taking care of my business outside of YouTube, taking care of my music studio and all that, guys, this is not this hasn't been that easy, you know. And try to bring everything as much as possible. So, you know, all I'm doing, guys, is just letting you know and giving you a heads up that, you know, just not to get you off guard with the intros and all these type of things and the editing and the way it looks, because I still have to post these videos that are not really up to date when it comes to the editing. A lot of shoes that are not up to date to my editing. So just in case you see these kind of videos that it really doesn't match my actual editing style, what it is now, don't mind it. Just know that was what I still have backed up, and all I'm doing is slowly but surely cleaning it out. And another thing that I do is that I take my sweet time when I get a pair of shoes. I don't like bringing the review instantly, for the simple fact that you know that's a half-ass review. It's a half-ass review, just trying to, you know, get in front of everybody else. Yo, I got the early release. Look at them. And you're not detailing. You're not truly saying how the materials are. You're not truly feeling it. That's why these people do 3, 4, 5 videos of the same shoe, because they have no content. They don't really have that mentality, guys. They can't come up with new things. They just can't. It is what it is. But hey, that's the reason why I'm on my way to 16,000 subscribers in a year and 2 months. So not bad at all, man. It is what it is. So, you know, I'm just saying the truth, man. If it hurts, too bad, you know. It is what it is, dude. These people's content, I look at it, man, and I got nothing against them personally, but their content is shit. It's just straight garbage. It's just a way. It's childish. It's just talking about the same thing. They don't bring any type of and then there's some that are trying to do even what I do, try to bring the comedy to it, and bro, it doesn't work with you, bro. Let it go. That's not who you are. I've been doing this for 20 years, even in syndicated TV. You're done. So cut it off. You know, not saying that I don't want to inspire people to do this, but dog, it's not gonna work for you. It's just not gonna work for you. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So anyways, guys, it is what it is. And just to giving you the heads up. That's all I'm doing, guys, giving you the heads up. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Guys, remember, stay away from the drama and let them say whatever they want to say. At the end of the day, that's how you know que estás jalante. Gracias a la envidia. Remember that. Till next time. Peace. Echo.